This is probably one of those purchases that you should have done like maybe a year ago, right? A security camera setup. Now, this big setup right here is probably going to be a little overkill for an RV park for myself. So what I got this for, my use case for this is going to be, my nephew has about 5 boats that he rents out and he keeps them in a permanent dock, and we need to get eyes going on what's going on, because rental business, you just want to make sure that you have eyes on your boats at all times, 24/7. He doesn't have a system like that, so we're going to be setting it up. But first, let's take a tour and see what's inside the box when you get something like this. Now, don't get all confused by these numbers. I'm going to walk through these H.265 Evo new technology. I mean, that's really cool to have, but basically what H.265 is just means that you can shoot high quality videos, but the compression is really small, so you can actually have a lot of videos on your storage space if it uses H.265. And then enhanced video optimization, EVO, means that's going to be really good quality. So you combine the compression with the video quality, and that's the #1 reason why we're going to be using this, because it gives you multiple different options of quality. Now, usually if you're going to record something in 4K, that's going to eat up a ton of space, and so you're not going to get a lot of looping coverage. But with the Evo and the 265, you're going to get that high definition quality and save you a lot of space. And before we open up the box, that's pretty cool. So let's see what else we got in here. All right, so in this kit, just pulling things out here real quick, the first thing that we're going to notice is that you get your storage, right? And you get your 8 to, well, I guess it can go from 2 all the way up to 16 different cameras. Now, one thing you'll need to know is this is not wireless, it's all wired. So the thing about that is it's going to be always on, closed circuit TV, right? And you're not going to lose power. You're not going to get interference on, you know, if it's a cloudy day, if it's solar, it's always going to be powered. So you not only get the coaxial hookups right here, you're also going to get a in and an out. So if you want a separate monitor, you can hook that up to this as well. And you can have another video out right here. So you get an HDMI, another video out, and then you get some USB slots if you want to hook up a mouse into here, and then a internet connection so that you can connect this to the internet, so you can push this to your phone anywhere in the world, and you can see what's going on the cameras, and you can get that notification that says, hey, you need to check your cameras. And then you have an older technology, which is a VGA, which is a little bit older. I'm going to stick with the HDMI. Not a lot of components come with the VGA, but it's kind of nice to have if you're rocking some backwards compatibility options. It gives you that. All right, so there's your brains. Now inside the box, you're gonna have 2 of these boxes, which comes with all of your connection cables. We'll dig into that in just a second. Same box with your connection cables. Then you're gonna get, depending on the kit that you get, I got the 8 camera kit set up right here. So if you open up one of these cameras, I'm gonna show you really quick what they look like. Now, these cameras are made to be outdoors. They're very light, so they're gonna hold really, really good to whatever you kind of screw them to. So that they don't take much weight. So if you put them on something light or put them into drywall, if that's where you're gonna need to, they're gonna stick right on the drywall and be good there. Now, they do have an angle, but you're gonna need a little screwdriver right here to loosen that up, and then to shift the angle, whatever angle that you want, or that's the best for that location. Then you can twist this off just like that, screw that piece into the wall, put it back, run the wires back in, and you're good to go. Now on these wires, you have one, which is your video, and then you have another one, which is your power. So you got to supply power to the camera. This is your audio video, and this is your power connection right here. Now inside every single camera bag, you're actually going to get your screws with a little bit of a drywall anchor as well. So they kind of thought of everything to put this little kit together. Now remember, it is wired, so it is going to take a little bit of time on the install, but it's always on, always connected, and you have 1 terabyte of storage, so it's always looping. So think in those instances where Wi-Fi is not strong, you don't have a good signal out in a storage area, out at a boat ramp, you just need to get power there, but maybe you don't have a Wi-Fi connection or an internet connection to kick that out. Now, if you do, this will push it to your phone, and you can see the footage from anywhere if you happen to have a Wi-Fi or internet connection. Now, with the inside of these, let me show you how this hooks up. It is really simple. It is really easy. Again, every single one of these is going to come with a 50-foot line. You just simply attach your yellow coaxial cable to the camera, just like this, run your wires, and you attach the other end to the coaxial cable right there. And you're good to go as far as the video pump into the terabyte SD drive. Now, you're also gonna get one of these cables, which is a 1 to 4 cable. On the camera, you're gonna plug that red one in. For each camera, you're gonna plug one of these in, and now you have 4 different cameras coming into one slot. And then you just take one of these guys and you can run it all the way into this red port right there. Again, so if you have an 8 camera setup, you're gonna get 2 of these dealios, and you're gonna get 3 of these power adapters. 1 for each of these, 2 for your cameras, and then 1 to power up your storage area right there. The other thing that you're gonna get is a little tiny mouse right here. So you can use this mouse, or any mouse will do for that matter, any USB mouse will that, but they do give you that as well. So you can put that in your kit. So again, not too complicated, really super easy. It's just gonna take a little bit of time to install everything. And then you have a little bit of a software that you're gonna see, and you wanna hook this up to an HDMI or a really old monitor if you have that, but an HDMI, and then you go through the software and configure it. Tell it how long you want to loop it for and how many days you want to keep files before they get deleted, all that kind of stuff. So I'm looking forward to setting that up at the boat ramp and getting there. But that's what you got inside of this kit. So just know a couple things. This is a great use case in my mind for an area that has power but no internet. It's also a great area for if you just want to always have it powered, always on, but has internet. You're going to see it everywhere. You're going to see the footage all the time, 24/7 by your phone. You don't need to access it through a local monitor. You can access it remotely through the internet. You're going to get the motion alerts to your phone. You're going to get all the technology, but you're going to have this permanent fixture. The quality on here, from what I can tell, is superb, from using the H.265 with the Evo all the way up to 4K. So you're not going to be complaining about the quality, I'm sure. But as far as what comes in the box, what comes in the kit, that's what you get when you go with something like this.